Hey there, in this video I'll show you how you can run your app on a local host. In the previous video we ran the command using the use localhost, but we got this error. I'll show you how you can fix it, so it will be a quick video and the benefits of using localhost, which I always use if I can. So the only time that you don't use the localhost is when you are dealing with webhooks, when you are dealing with proxies, which we will discuss in the future videos. But if you don't use webhook and proxy for debugging or anything, use localhost is the best option because it will not expire, it is faster, and the result is like better. So let's see what this error means. Whenever when I check my code, I notice, oh, the URL in here is different than my production app, because again webhooks does not work on localhost. So to fix this, it is really easy. Just copy this example URL from the top and put it here, and the same thing you can do for this URL. Once you do this, you will come to your terminal. Let's clear everything and run the command again. If I run the command, this time I should not get any error because the URL is valid now. That's it, and it is working as expected. This is my new app URL, and I can access my app in here. So if I open this in the terminal, it will show you my the app, which is like this is where you add the app that you want to view, but I will show you where you can customize this one as well, which is an app which is public URL, but you can customize this and make it better so people can start installing your app and they directly access it in this URL. But the main URL is in here. Now you might see this differently if you have an extension. If you have like different Shopify extension, this URL will be different, and Shopify will redirect you to this URL with some other options that you can view. But for now, this is how you can access it. Now to check out, okay, where this app is like running, you can see in this document it is running on a localhost. This is the port, and it is very fast. When I bring any changes, like it is instant, and there is no need to worry about anything else. Apart from that, if you're using VPN, use localhost is the best option. Again, when I mentioned, when I take my laptop outside, I normally connect it to my phone for the Wi-Fi. If you're not using localhost, then you have to rerun the Cloudflare tunnel, and because you lost the internet connection through the different provider, and that is like a lot of different like it is more work to do. So if you are like changing your internet connection when you use localhost, it works fine because I mostly take my laptop and change my workplace, and this is the best option to do. I hope this video has been informative. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.